Within our field service team, we have a unique role for walking engineers. They do exactly the same work as all of our engineers do in terms of installing systems and maintaining them, but they don't have vans. They get around London on public transport using tubes or buses. Over the last decade, with the way things have changed and evolved in London with the congestion charge and the ultra-low emission zones, it's become much more difficult for engineers to navigate their way around London. Traffic is much worse, parking is almost impossible to find, so we had to evolve with the times and find a different way of doing it. So our walker engineers have a rucksack that contains all the tools that they will need to do their job. If they need bigger parts to do an installation, then they'll get delivered to site to meet the walker engineer when he gets there. For the engineers themselves, it makes their lives a lot easier because they're not stuck in traffic. It's very easy for them to navigate from job to job and get their work done. So the walker engineers are one example of how we are trying to be more sustainable. Our products have been developed to help companies and organisations to remove single-use plastic from their businesses. We've also introduced electric and hybrid vehicles in some of our major cities as part of our sustainable initiatives. Having the walker engineers has really opened up opportunities for us and for the people who apply to work for us, because you can come and work for us and either be issued with a van or with an Oyster card. As other cities introduce the same sort of initiatives to reduce traffic in their city centres, we will look to expand this initiative outside of London. We're always looking to be more flexible and agile, so not having a driving licence is not a barrier to coming to work for us and having a career with BRITA Vivro.